Money lies that keep us poor. We all have some doubts and thoughts when it comes to money. Many money lies that keep us poor are prevalent in society. We all fall victim to the misconceptions and beliefs that hold us back financially. But it's time to shatter those barriers and unlock our true potential. From the simple notion of "I'll start saving next month" to the complex belief that money is the root of all evil, these money lies have kept us trapped in a never-ending cycle of poverty. But here's the secret. Once we change our mindset and embrace the power of money, we can unleash its true potential for good. So let's get started with debunking 4 of the most common money lies. Investing is too risky and very complicated. Investing is not as risky as it may seem. In fact, there are ways to make it even less risky. The key is to take a step-by-step systematic approach to learn the art of investing. By breaking things down into manageable pieces and starting with the basics, you can embark on an exciting journey towards financial growth and success. 2. You have a lot of money, so you don't need a budget. When it comes to our personal finances, many of us love to believe we have complete control. However, having a fortune doesn't give us a pass to disregard budgeting. In fact, if you want to preserve your wealth, you must exercise even greater caution with your expenses. Practicing sound basics when it comes to money when you have less wealth will pay dividends literally for you when you have more monetary wealth. 3. All debts are bad, and you should avoid them. Most people think that all debts are bad, and this is simply not true. Good debts can help you achieve your financial goals. While bad debts can ruin your finances, it's important to be aware of the difference so that you can make wise decisions about your money. Debt to purchase a cash flow positive rental property is good debt. Going on a shopping spree and maxing out your credit card limit with no way of paying it back off before your next due date is bad debt. 4. My bank account is the best place to keep my money. Many people aspire to save money in their bank accounts, but here's a counterintuitive truth: that might not be the smartest move. Why? Well, most bank accounts come with low interest rates. In fact, some of them offer rates lower than inflation itself. What does this mean? It means that by simply stashing your money in a bank account, you could actually be losing money in real terms. So, how can you truly save your hard-earned cash? By putting it to work and avoiding the sneaky effects of inflation. Money is a topic that often stirs up various emotions and perspectives amongst individuals. It's intriguing how our personal beliefs and perceptions about money can sometimes be based on misconceptions. However, if you aspire to attain genuine financial success and the freedom it brings, it's imperative to transform your mindset. Remember, all triumphs originate from within. We're curious to know, what misconceptions have you encountered concerning money? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for tuning in. To catch more captivating videos like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and enable notifications for future updates. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.